I'm so glad you're here. Okay, so listen, this is a video that you are not going to want to miss. Okay, are you ready? So, hey y'all, if you don't know me, my name's Tracy Hyde. I am a consultant with Jordan Essentials, otherwise known as a Jordie. I know we're all over the place, right? I want to talk to you about why August is the perfect month for you to become a Jordie with me. Are you ready? Okay, so let's get started. First of all, look at this adorable kit. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh my gosh. Includes a cool little bag that will hold your catalogs. You can put samples in there. You can do all kinds of stuff in there. And then it comes with all of these amazing products. Peppermint magnesium lotion. It comes with cute little your 2-ounce bottles of lotion. It's got a renew stick in there. It's got a lotion bar. It's got some salt scrub. It's got some Copacalm. We all need Copacalm in our life. I'm gonna tell you what, it's got some foaming soap. There's some Helio. If you don't know me or you haven't heard my story, Helio is my thing. I absolutely love it. I think anybody and everybody needs to try Helio. If you have any aches and pains, you need it. You need it, you need it, you need it. Okay? So, first of all, the kit in August is half off. Regularly, like I said, over $200 worth of products in here. And it is regularly $49 when you sign up, okay? This month only, do you see that? $24.50 for all of that. Can I give you some perspective real fast? Okay, so the new catalog launched, and we have this amazing bundle. I was just talking about Copacalm. This is our less stress bundle, okay? Oh boy, I can't make my fingers work. This is our stress less bundle. This is a great bundle. It was a top seller for us at the end of last catalog. A top seller, which is why they put it in the new catalog. Holy crowbars. $36 for that little bundle. $24.50 for 3 times the products. Okay, I'm a girl math you in a minute. If you don't grab it, you're losing money, right? Okay, so debt-free company in business for 25 years. This year, celebrating 25 years. I know. They're in the heart. They're in Missouri, Nixa, Missouri. And so a lot of people, like, I'm in Michigan. It took me a while to hear about Jordan Essentials, but I'm going to tell you what, I'm not sorry. I am not sorry that I have it in my life now. You get 25% commission, anything that you sell. You get a 25% discount on anything you buy for yourself. I'm going to say that one more time. You get a 25% discount. You pay $24.50, and then for 12 months, you get a 25% discount. For 3 months, you get a free website. So why not try it, right? Share it with people that you love. Why not? Then you can go in, and if you decide it's not for you, you can go in and you can cancel your website. This has somebody's name on it. So these are all the things in your first 30 and 90 days. You can earn all of this stuff for free. And it builds. So you earn this first, then you earn this, then you earn this, then you earn this, then you earn this. And the best part, I gotta tell you, I don't know if it's the best part. It's the best part for me. We are working on earning a trip to Costa Rica. So we have until January 31st of 2026 to earn enough points to go to Costa Rica. Could be, as a new consultant, when you sign up, you automatically get 1,000 points. It only takes 25,000 to earn the trip. As a new consultant, every time you earn one of these, you earn 1,000 more points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus your initial is 6,000 points right off the bat. And every time, this is $250 in sales. This is $500 in sales. This is $1,000 in sales, and then $2,000 in sales. And let me tell you, for every dollar you sell, you get a point. It's amazing. They make it so reasonable for you to earn this trip by signing up, hitting your jump starts, following your leader, having parties, making sales. It's all part of the things that you do. And just by doing that, you can earn a trip, even for 2. Now, the more points you get, the more you earn. So at a certain number of points, you earn just recognition that you were working on the trip. Then you can get, I think there's like a sticker, and then there's a beach towel, and then there's the first level of the trip, and then there's the first level with some airfare, then there, right? And then there's the second level of the trip, and then second level of the trip with airfare. So not like, it's like a travel voucher. You get so much towards your travel to Costa Rica, but your stay in Costa Rica is completely, it's all inclusive and it's completely covered. Okay. So then there's things that you can do outside of what is covered. You can add on stuff and go do things, right? Like zip line. And I will not be ziplining. Anybody else? No? Okay. It's just me. I'm the big chicken. It's okay. It's okay. Listen, hey is my buddy for a reason. So, but I really want you to earn this trip with me. So to get started, you can go to my link and you can join. And guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to reach out to you. I'm going to celebrate. I'm going to add you to our groups. Or I'm going to help you get added to our groups where you can learn everything you need to learn. Don't overdo it. I did. I tried to learn too much all at once and my brain went, yeah, don't do that. Questions, ask. If I don't know the answer, I'm going to go ask somebody else. It's fine. It's fine. This is what we're in this together. We are not doing this alone. That is my favorite thing about being a Jordie. Aside from the amazing products that we get, my favorite thing is the community that we have. The other people who are cheering you on. They're not your competition. They're your cheerleaders. They're your people that you lean on when you need help. We do not compare ourselves to one another. We learn from one another. We celebrate one another. A whole ton of women and a handful of great men in this company want to see you be successful, not stop you from it. And I am one of them. I want to see you be successful. I want to watch you join. I want to watch you do whatever it is that you want to do with this company. And I want to be there holding your hand and pushing you forward and helping answer questions that you have. Okay? So, speaking of questions, that first comment below, okay? There are going to be ways that you can reach out to me. You can DM me, you can text my business number, you can send me an email, whatever you want to do. You can, I will put my link where you can go check out what it takes, how do you sign up, all the cool things. Like, you can add on to your kit, and already, like, depending on how much you add on to your kit, you could earn this level right here. Oops, sorry. You could earn this level right here. I want to do that one more time. So my link will take you where you can check all of this stuff out, and then you can add on to your kit. And when you add on to your kit, if you want to, you don't have to. That $24.50 is perfect. But if you decide to add on to your kit, anything you add on to it helps you get here faster, helps you get here faster, helps you get here, and to that trip faster. Entirely up to you. Not required. And it's at a 25% discount. Okay, so again, that first comment below, I want to help you. Let me know how I can. I can't wait to hear from you. Thanks for checking out my video. Like it, share it with somebody that you know maybe needs some flexible income, maybe needs a discount on, maybe they're spending a lot on Jordan Essentials and they need a discount. If you are watching this video and another consultant sent you to this video, go back. Don't click on my links. I will celebrate you like nobody's business, but don't click on my stuff. If somebody else sent you this video, go back to them. No lie, if other consultants are like, Trace, you nailed it. Thanks, babe. Please share. Remind them to come back to you and not click on my links. I'm not here to poach. Okay? So I love y'all. We are in this together. We are going to have fun, and we are going to go celebrate in Costa Rica together. Okay? Sign up with me. When we make it to Costa Rica together, your first drink is on me. Okay, bye.